how working from home has affected our thought process and our lifestyle. This pandemic has taught many things, but it seems that working from home is now being the part of our work style. Almost all of us have affected from this culture of work from home, some maybe positively, some maybe negatively. We will talk about few disadvantages and advantages of this culture. So let's talk about disadvantages first. First disadvantage is that many of us has limited space at home, where in our office premises there is a lot of space where we can roam, we can talk to the people around us, but at our home this is little limited. We cannot roam around because the place is very small. Most of us has created the workplace temporarily. Maybe there will be people who have created a kind of good space, but most of us have not that much of space which we had in our office. The second disadvantage is limitation of technical support, especially hardware technical support. So we all know that in our office there are technical teams always help us in technical support like hardware technical supports, but at home it's very difficult for all of us to get support. Suppose in case our computer, laptop, mouse is not working, we cannot get support for these things. The third disadvantage is worrying about our presence. So all of us, like when we were in the office, we all know that whatever we are doing, our bosses, our superiors are always looking at us. They know that what we are doing that time. But at home, when we are working, maybe we are not able to showcase, or we are not able to be present, or able to showcase that we are active at the workplace at home. So this is one of the disadvantages, that we sometimes worry about our presence in front of our bosses or supervisors. Fourth is high dependency on electronic gadgets. All of us who are working from home are completely dependent on electronic gadgets, and you all know that excessive use of electronic gadgets can also affect you badly. Like sometimes your eyes, your ears can be affected due to the excessive use of these electronic gadgets. The last but not the least, very important, that because of we being alone at home, we cannot talk to the people. This also create little stress and sometimes frustrating as well. This is one of the disadvantage I felt, I experienced. Working from home is not always bad. There are not only disadvantages of working from home, there are of course advantages of working from home. So let me share you few advantages which I personally have experienced. So the first advantage is that I do not have to travel to my office, so I save a lot of time. I actually do not have to worry about heavy traffic, especially for the cities. So suppose I'm living in Navi Mumbai, so I face traffic. And in fact, if I talk about, most of cities nowadays are loaded with a lot of traffic. So this is one of the reason that I feel this is one of the advantage with the culture of working from home. The second, which is very much related to first, because we are not traveling to office, we are saving a lot of time. Most of us are saving not less than 1 hour to even 2.5 or 3 hours sometimes. So we all can spend our good time to invest in ourselves, do some exercise. You can have to conduct your gym practice session at home, because many of us always had been complaining that since we have to travel for more than 2-3 hours, that's why we are not able to get enough time. But now we all have enough time, that's why we can do it. The third advantage is that we all have flexibility in our work. Earlier when we were going to office, we all had to complete most of us had to complete a task between the schedule or between our office time. But since we are working from home, we can manage our personal work and professional work to complete at any point of the day. So the fourth is managing our office work and housework or the personal housework. See, so we always had such situations where we had to take full day leaves because we had some personal work for hour and so. But because we could not go to office, since we had to take leave for the entire day. But now since you can work at home, you can also complete your tasks simultaneously. Since we are getting extra time, we can invest good quality time with our family, because this was one of the problem with many of us, that we was not able to give good time with our family. But now since we are working at home, we can spend good time for lunch, breakfast and dinners, and in fact with many of the activities. We definitely can manage these things as well. So these all are basis my experiences, advantages and disadvantages. Thank you so much. Until next time, please take care. Goodbye.